Hello again everyone, it's Corey here. We're back at it again with another Cruze Diesel repair. So we're going to go ahead and replace all 4 glow plugs today on this diesel. And you can see that right down here, this harness goes right into here. This is number 1. And along down the line here, you see them all. So it shouldn't be too bad of a job. I'm going to go ahead and replace this harness too. I got everything in kit here from idparts.com. Here's the new harness. Hopefully it'll focus there. There you go. It's made in Romania. And then all 4 glow plugs. These are AC Delco plugs made in France. And I pulled a plug out here and you can see GM's part number here, and these are Bosch glow plugs, it looks like. And there's the part number. Okay, so what we're going to do first is get some compressed air and blow this dust out of here. We don't want anything getting down into the cylinder. So we're going to go ahead and spray this up here and then get some penetrant oil and let those let the oil soak in there, because we don't want to snap these off. So we'll take our time with it and hopefully the removal goes well. Before you get started, make sure you have eye protection. Remember, safety first. Okay, we're going to go ahead and shoot some compressed air in here. Okay, it looks pretty good. Wasn't too bad. Now I'm going to use this stuff here. I love this stuff. You guys watch the channel, you see I use this a lot, this Aerokroil. This stuff is awesome. Let that soak. Okay, that's good. Let that set for a few minutes, and then we'll go ahead and get the harness off. Okay, so here's a close-up of what this harness looks like with the glow plug. Let's just switch focus better. I'm getting a lot of glare off this. Anyways, this harness slides right over top, and then it just pushes over top like that, and you'll hear a little click, and that's all. So to remove them, all you do is just pull, and it comes right off like that. So all you need to do is pull each of these off the top of the glow plug, and that's it. So it should be simple enough. Take our first one here and pull up. There we go. Just continue on down the line like that. Okay, I'm ready to remove this harness. As you can see, I have each connector unplugged, and now this connection right here, there's a little yellow plastic piece. If you get a little flathead screwdriver, get in between there and push it outwards. It's kind of a lock to lock this in place. Just push it outwards like so. That allows you to remove this connector now. Grab a hold of it, push down with your thumb on this black part of the connector, like so, and then it should release. Sometimes they can be a little tough to get off, but just have patience with it. There we go. Okay, that's it. So set this aside, and we'll come back to that later. Just leave that there. And now we can go ahead and start to remove these glow plugs. Now you'll need a 9mm deep well to get on the top of that, and a good extension to get your socket wrench around up in this area. Okay, I have my 9mm deep well socket with a 6-inch extension. This is all 1/4-inch drive. Okay, it's down on top of here. And here we go, we'll slowly loosen. Shouldn't take much to get these out of here. There we go. That's loose. Okay, now it's tight to reach down in here to grab it. Okay, I got it. So there's what it looks like. You can see the soot on the end of it there. This vehicle has 150 some odd thousand miles on it. This is the first time they're going to be replaced. We've had trouble starting the vehicle when it's cold, and I believe this is the problem. See, that's what it looks like with the globe plug out. And just continue that same process with the other 3. And hopefully you guys don't have any issues. So far so good here though. And here's a little tip. If you can't get your fingers down there, needle nose pliers work great. Just grab the hold of the top of it and just pull it right out. Alright, all 4 globe plugs are removed. Everything went well, no issues, thank God. So now we can go ahead and start to install the new ones. Just be careful when you're inserting these. Yeah, and be careful when you're starting the threads on too. Start by hand always. I have my socket and extension here, and I'm going to slowly start this plug by hand. I'm going to do that for each one, and then these get torqued to 12 foot-pounds, which is not much at all. Alright, so I'm going to tighten these down. Remember, 12 foot-pounds. Alright, that's it. Time for the new harness. And here's our new harness. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the main part first, which is the larger connector. Push it in right there, you hear a click, push the yellow plastic piece in, locks it in place. Alright. Now you can see down here, see this little black piece right here? This connector slides right in here to secure it. So we'll go ahead and do that. I don't think my original one was in there. Okay, so this part has to come off. It stayed on here. It didn't come off with the old connector. As you can see, this one here is on there, and here's the old connector here. You can see the bottom. This is like the base of it. It stayed in this metal bracket here. I'll go ahead and remove this. It should just slide right out. Hopefully. There we go. Okay, so you can go ahead and throw this away. It's just the base from that old harness, and this one here should slide right in the channel. See what it looks like. Probably would have been easier without the connector on first, but I didn't notice this. There we go. All right. Nice. Okay, that's in place. Good. Now we can connect each one of these to the appropriate glow plug. Okay, the one with the tag on it goes to the far one on the right. And the shortest one goes right here. Just push them down, you'll hear them click in. Then we have these two left. The shorter one goes right down here. And the longer one goes over here in the last one. And that's it. Now we have one more thing here. I gotta remove this old clip from the old harness. I don't know if you guys can see that here. See this clip here? Part of this wire loom, it goes down inside this hole. I gotta remove this clip here. So I'm gonna do that now. Let's pull that right out of there. There we go, it just flew off. Okay. Let's push this down in position. Perfect. That looks pretty good, guys. That is it, that completes it. Hopefully we have some smooth starts now when it's cold, and good for another 150,000. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.